This is a short video to inform you what Google just made that could change how people create videos and images forever. The company quietly rolled out a massive update to Google Flow, and the features packed into this update are turning heads across the creative world. Here is what is happening. Google took two of its most popular creative tools, Whisk and ImageFX, and pulled them directly into Flow. That means everything. Image generation, editing, and video creation now lives in one single place. No more jumping between apps, no more starting over, just one workspace that does it all. And starting March 2026, users will be able to transfer all their existing Whisk and ImageFX projects straight into their Flow library. But that is just the beginning. Google also baked in Nano Banana, which lets you generate high-quality images and immediately use them as the building blocks for video, all without leaving the app. And here's something people did not see coming. You can now generate images in Flow completely for free. Now, let's talk about editing, because this is where things get really interesting. Google introduced a lasso tool that lets you draw around any part of an image and then simply describe what you want changed. Want to remove a person from the background? Done. Want koi fish in that pond? Just say so. You can even draw directly on top of your image to point out exactly what needs to change. Video editing got a serious upgrade too. You can now extend the clip and let Flow generate what happens next in the scene. You can add objects, remove objects, and even control how the camera moves, all through simple text commands. And if you have multiple images you want to combine, Flow can now weave them together into one cohesive video scene. On top of all this, Google redesigned the entire interface to make it cleaner and faster to use, with a new asset grid that lets you sort, filter, and group all your images and videos into collections. You can even type the @ symbol to quickly pull a specific asset into your prompt. What Google is building here is not just a video tool anymore. It's an entire creative studio powered by AI, and it's moving fast. The question now is, how many creators are going to abandon their current workflows once they get their hands on this?